Hey guys, Derek again. We're going to install some Ford smoked LED side marker lights from S550 parts. So I'll show you how to pop these out and plug them in.
Replace these ugly ass lights right here.
I'll show you them on. Just a sad little bulb in there. So there's tabs on here, one's straight and one's got a little clip. So the clip you pull out first. So if you have one of these blue sticks, they're probably the best. You just put it in. Slowly pull out.
That's what she said.
And then just wiggle back. And it comes right out. So then just unplug your light. Twist that. Oh, the bulb's warm. So you just take your bulb out basically. It's easier if you plug this back in. And then this is just a slip in. And it's in. So they only work going one way. So we got lucky. So I'll take the plastic off so we don't catch it. And then we'll slide the back in straight. And then just push those fronts in and that's it. They're in, they're bright. They look way better. Definitely look way better in the car. So, perfect. Thanks for watching.